Out here doing a rocket stove this morning. Got 3 of them sold. There we go. Got all my pieces cut. And one important thing is that I made a outline here of where I'm going to cut that out, so that this can sit in there like that. This is just a plain one, no attachments, just a grill grate or a cooking grate, lids and a damper. Here's your 3 main parts. You got your stack, your feed, and your body. The feed is shorter than the body is shorter than the stack. So, and the stack is where your flame is going to come out of. I am using 1/8" wall tubing. It is a little bit smaller than the other ones, but I did a little research and they should be just fine. I will be doing a test fire on this when we accomplish, and I have a little different design for the legs, so you guys stay tuned, check out the video. Alright, so the next order of business, get this out of the way. Got my cut wheel. You're going to need these gloves. Now this can be one of the more dangerous parts of this. If you order a DIY kit, I will make this for you so you don't have to do any cutting. All you got to do is weld it. Safety glasses on, gloves on. Make sure you get comfortable here. And I already got my lines traced out like I showed you guys, and we're going to cut this out here. Alright, not sure if you guys can see this, but I made score lines. That way when I make my cuts, I can just stay straight into these lines here. You guys can use a torch for this. This is the first time I've used a grinding wheel, to be honest with you, and it seems to be cutting a lot better. I'm gonna have a cleaner cut than I would with a regular oxy-fuel torch. But I'll show you that here in a minute. We'll get this last one cut out. And important tip on this is do not force this blade to cut this. Let the blade do the cutting, because this will explode on you, and that is not a good thing to do. You're liable to have pieces of this going to your face and your arm. So just let this do the cutting. Don't try to force it. We got one more cut here to make, and then I'll show you guys what we got going on. Out. This is what the other one looked like here. Yeah. Look at that. Clean. Now I got this cut out. I'm going to clean this up As you can see, this is what the cut looks like here. I'm going to clean it up a little bit. Now, this section right here may have walked out on me a little bit. It's not going to be exactly 5 inches. I'm pretty sure it walked out about 1/8 of an inch. You can just take a C-clamp to that and get that tightened back up to match up with the body of your stove. And then, like I said, we'll grab this. This is the feed. And it just hops on there like that. And I'll try to get a good look of what's going on down here. Oh, I'm not very good at this. All right, so then that's where you see it. That's where it all comes together at. And I got a couple other things I got to do here, but we're on our way. Now we got legs cut. So we'll take them over here, grab these bad boys. This is 1x1 065 16 gauge wall tubing. That's all you need. If you were to buy a DIY kit, this is what you would have, and I would make these legs for you. I have a couple ideas what I'm going to do, but I think I'm going to stick to my original design because it works. Guys, here we go. Now I have all the parts I need for this rocket stove, plus maybe 1 or 2 other items, but those are special to me. So we will wait till the very end. I'll do a number 2 video, me assembling this bad boy. Make some cuts. We are going to go with a different leg structure on the rear. Going to keep it with the same front. We got lid, a damper, and another lid. Here's your grate for the inside. Some threaded rod. You'll know what that's for. And like I said, we have our stack, we have our feed, and we have our body. Now all this stuff would be included inside of the DIY kit, plus the knobs. I would make those handmade, custom. Price to be determined on that. But if you're interested, let me know, and we can always work something out. So, but anyways, here we go. We got all this stuff.